Hey stranger, welcome to day 5 of our passage from Thailand to the Maldives. We're currently in the Bay of Bengal, the largest bay in the world, spanning between India, Bangladesh and Burma, or Myanmar as it's known now. As you can see, I've just enjoyed a nice swim. The water temperature is neither cold nor warm. I think it's actually perfect. It is very comfortable sailing and I like it. I like it a lot. We've put the main up today. Got the wind coming slightly from a diagonal angle. It's no longer straight on our tail, so we can put up the main and also still have the ASIM flying. Getting some good speed out of that. It's a beautiful day.
Oh, they're little. They're just little dolphins. Wow. Whoa! There's so many! Oh my god, there's so many! There are so many! What the heck? Oh my god! Why is there so many? There are... Oh my gosh, there's probably like 100. What? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh! We're getting absolutely swarmed by dolphins right now. What the? Oh my gosh.
Never before have we had a dolphin encounter quite like this one. It was such a special experience, a highlight of the journey, and a memory that will stay with me for the rest of my life. Welcome to day 6 of our Maldives passage. We're currently getting chased down by, oh no, we're not getting chased down. We're currently getting, well, yeah, okay, we are kind of getting chased down. We're getting approached by what looks like a fishing boat. It's probably just a fishing boat, but we are way out to sea. This boat just popped up in the last 30 minutes and is definitely making a beeline to intercept us. We hope their intentions are good. Not much we can do if their intentions are bad.
I think we need to hide the woman.
Yeah.
Do we slow down?
I don't know.
That's what that means.
They're catching us, so I don't know what that means.
Yeah, usually if someone does that, it means slow down, doesn't it?
The dudes are right near us and they're yelling. I think they are. They're yelling water. They're coming to us for water.
Yeah, water!
Oh wait, sorry, no. Water and cigarettes.
Yes. Eat. You have food.
Food.
Give him some pasta.
Give him a big pasta, yeah.
Okay,
Where are you from?
maybe some nuts. Nuts and pasta.
Right. Thank you very much. We need is smoking also.
Smoke,
Here, Ivan.
Apple.
Oh, green apple.
We don't have many. We don't have much fruit.
I'm not sure what that is, but...
Good, really.
You can throw.
Oh, wait.
No problem.
Hey, give it a good throw, give it a good throw.
Yes. Let's see that back at the
Yeah!
Hello. Smoking. One kid. Good.
Oh!
Good.
What a good catcher, bro.
Yes.
Good. He plays cricket. Yeah. He plays cricket, that guy. Good catch.
Oh, what a.
Hey!
You always see New Zealand cricket.
New Zealand.
Yes.
Your family?
Family.
Yeah, family.
Where are going?
Maldives.
Maldives.
Yeah.
Maldives.
Thailand.
How much day you going? 6 days?
Day 6.
Oh, do we need fish? Okay, these guys are actually turning out to be pretty chill. Yeah, we've just given them water, cigarettes, apples, cashew nuts, and a bit of pasta. And now they're gonna give us some fish, I think.
Coca-Cola, don't have.
Oh, they're gonna give us some Coca-Cola.
Huh? Coca-Cola.
Okay. They're gonna give us a bottle of Coke too. Oh, tuna!
Oh, yeah. Who's gonna catch it? Who's gonna catch the fish?
Dad, you can catch it.
You got it, Dad?
Thanks, guys. I got
Nice.
It's Ronnie, okay? It's Ronnie.
No, it's not armpit. It looks like some sort of Fanta or ginger beer, yeah, maybe.
Hey! Thank you.
I think it is ginger beer.
You attached to this to throw to them.
I think they'll just come close enough, and then you throw them the loops.
Yeah.
There we go.
Thank you. Lovely to meet you.
Thank you.
Oh,
No whiskey.
We
No
don't have.
have.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Okay.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
See you. Isn't that funny?
Just got a care package, really. I just heard Dad said apparently Sri Lankan boats will come out to you and ask you for like Coca-Cola or fizzy drinks and stuff like that, but they just gave us Coke, so super cool dudes. Pretty sweet.
We were planning for the worst and hoping for the best there, and ended up getting the best, which is very nice. Very cool interaction. Sri Lankan ginger beer.
Tastes pretty good.
That's right.
It's not very sweet though. Oh, it's sweet, but like more gingery than anything.
You know, that's nice as.
Pretty good, eh?
Oh, that's lovely. Yeah.
Is it cold?
Yeah, it's cool.
Ivan, what's up?
What's up?
What's up?
Not that much.
Not that much.
Pretty boring. Day 7 at sea.
Yeah. Day 7's a lot less active than day 6.
Oh man, I remember day 1. Seems like a long time ago now.
Yeah, but also it's kind of gone by like pretty quick. We've been at sea a week.
Yeah, but still,
It feels like it's been a week.
Yeah, I guess.
we got another week to go.
At least.
Yeah, and all the goodies are leaving. Although we did not get enough yummy food.
Oh yeah, we didn't get enough like we didn't get enough chips and lollies and all that good stuff to fuel the passage. So now we're just down to kind of like salami, cheese, pasta, pesto, curry. Actually, curry's still good. I like curries. I've got 2 packets of high cheese and we have a couple packets of chips under the seat.
And you don't share.
have a bar of chocolate.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you don't share your stuff.
No, I don't share my stuff. 'Cause
I didn't get any of your stuff as well. I didn't get a stash, so.
Yeah, you're silly. You didn't go and spend your money On lollies.
Yeah.
I was smart. I invested in lollies.
I invested in long-term health by not getting any.
Yeah, I guess. Alright, this spot is not very comfortable. Good chat. I made dinner. Carbonara. Over here we got the pasta. And over here we got the sauce. Got the parmesan, I got the egg. I added a little bit of cream, which is kind of not legit. And then I got the bacon. Yes. And then the pasta. And I cook the bacon and the garlic in here. Wait, am I being racist? I hope not. Alright, so I talked the other day about how I have all this new hair growth and how I want to buzz my hair so that it can all grow out at the same pace. But I haven't buzzed my head yet, as you can tell. But today I'm going to take the first step towards getting a buzz cut, and that is getting a nice little trim. Just nothing serious. Alright, here we go. Let's go give this a trim. Follow me. Don't mind the sail. So first of all, I'm just going to give my hair a quick little spray, kind of loosen it up a little. It's kind of ironic, I have saltwater spray when I live on the ocean. I could just put my head in the ocean. Alright, so here we go. We want to just brush this down, such as, like so. And then we just want to kind of grab a little chunk of hair.
Professional barber.
Like that, that's probably good. And then you just want to kind of no. I did it way too short. Oh no, I did it way too short. Oh no.
No, look at me.
Alright, now the next step of my plan is to go and surprise mum and dad. So let's go do that. Excuse me, what? Alright, mom, dad. Guys, do you like it?
Yeah, like what?
Oh, I thought we were going to do it on live. Oh.
Do you like it? Looks nice, huh?
It's good. I think it's good.
I think if you could just straighten this stuff out and maybe cut it.
Yeah, that's interesting.
Cut it all around there. You look very like, what's his Lord Farquhar?
Yeah, a little bit of medieval peasantry going on. Now we wish hair, bid farewell to the hair.
Bye, hair.
Goodbye, hair.
Oh wait,
There it goes.
I couldn't see it. It's so overexposed.
Oh, that's fine. Sweet, and there we go. Now it's the first step of my buzz cut. Be honest. Do I need a new barber?
Oh, that's too good.
It looks like I'm wearing a beanie with the flaps down. We're gonna go for a swim now.
Oh yeah, that looks good.
Alright, stop. I know it looks good. I already know it looks good. Yeah, there it is.
I'm sorry, but
Whoever cut my hair should go to prison. No, look at the hairline at the front though. It's so
you did
bad.
that. I didn't do that.
And the inverter, the 240 volt inverter.
I don't know. I'm sorry guys. You're gonna have to look at this for the next, like, I don't know, a month. I haven't had a buzz cut on this channel yet. Last time I got a buzz cut was May 2022. So actually kind of around this time. We were sailing up through the Kimberley in northwest Australia and it was so hot. and my hair was just getting in my face and I didn't like it. And so I shaved it all off. Oh, well, Ivan shaved it all off. And that's pretty much the same thing that's happened now, plus my hair loss, and I want everything to grow out evenly. This is a very comfy haircut. You don't have to worry about it at all. It dries super fast. It's a very practical haircut, unless you want to keep sun off your neck. Ugh, my head looks so skinny. It's so weird. Oh well. There are some very pretty clouds just over there. Very pretty clouds.